Hello friends, hope you are doing great. So as promised, today we are going to see how to improve our communication skill. So the very first and most important point in improving our communication skill is listening, rather active listening. Now, what do we mean by active listening? Active listening means listening carefully while observing the cues, that is the non verbal communication. Because if we don't listen actively to the speaker, right, then we won't be able to respond properly. Then there will be a communication gap. If I am saying something, if I am asking something to you, and if you are not able to answer me correctly, then there will certainly be a communication gap, right? So the very first and important point is active listening. And secondly, while listening to the other person, please don't be judgmental. Listen to the speaker without any bias, without judging the other person. Some other point for improving our communication would be body language. Now, what is body language? Body language, I would say, is an amalgamation of many things like facial expressions, the smile, the gestures. Okay, so when I'm speaking, the smile is also a very important factor. So if when you're speaking to someone and if you're smiling, when you're giving a speech while giving a smile on your lips, then you can immediately connect with the audience. And also there should be proper hand movements, gestures, okay, eye contact, right? When I'm giving speech to a public, I should look to the entire audience. I shouldn't focus to only one section of the audience. Then the other audience may feel left out. So the other important aspect is body language. Stand firmly on both your feet. Put equal balance on your feet when you are standing. And when you're speaking on a stage, see to it that you're making use of the entire stage. You're not just standing in the stage. If you have the provision to walk while talking, then you should utilize the entire stage. Friends, another very important point to be considered while giving speeches is proper voice modulation or using proper pitches. I will give you some examples. Suppose I'm giving you two samples rather. The first sample is, ladies and gentlemen, I feel delighted in announcing our winner, and the winner of the Speak Up contest is Mr. And if I say like this, so ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the winner, and the winner is Mr. So and so. So which one is more appealing? Of course, the first one, because it has proper voice modulation. There is excitement in the voice because it has lower pitch, upper pitch, medium pitch. So when we are speaking, the audience should feel excitement in your voice, because God has given us a very amazing instrument called the vocal cord, and you can play with your vocal cord to enhance the quality of your speech. Now, the other point is, I would say, when you're preparing for a speech, try to give speech in front of a mirror, so that you will come to know where you can improve, where you can make improvements. And when twice or thrice you have done that, after that, try to give speech in front of known public, few friends who are trustworthy friends, who encourages you. So select those very selective friends, very positive friends of yours, who can give you a positive feedback and a genuine one.